Quiet!
Oh.
Bring out your books and turn to page 31.
Oh.
Our next lesson is the use of has to and have to. Who can tell me the difference in the usage? Why are you late, Mr. Tolentino?
Kasi ma'am, hindi pa ako nag-content.
Let me remind you, this is English class.
I wrote and ma'am.
Bring out your books.
Yan si Ma'am Gina. Stricto, laging nakasimangot, nakakatakot para siya pinagliisa sa manang loob.
Yes, Mr. Tolentino? Remove your earrings!
Pero kahit ganon siya pa rin ang favorite teacher ko.
Really nervous about your grades and your slow tardiness.
Ma'am, hindi na po maulit.
Ano kasama mo? Harap!
Wala naman po ma'am.
Dahil kay Ma'am, natuto akong mag-English. At dahil kay Ma'am, mahilig akong magbasa.
Mabasa ako! Ay, wait! Patingin! Congrats!
Ganito ako ngayon. Ma'am!